to find percent increase and percent decrease.
Okay.
Two step. Let's say like a step here. Steps. Step one. What do we need to do?
Hold up. Let me see this. Hold on. It's we find the difference.
Find the difference. Difference.
We
Different. Yes. First one is find the difference. Second one is second step.
rewrite
Rewrite.
the equation as a percent problem.
Yes. Equation as the percent problems. Percent problems. After we rewrite the equation as the present problems, we solve it. Right? So,
Solve it. We just solve it.
yeah, so this is like official way to do it. Mhm. So, okay. So let's give another example that we can know. For example, you make $12.30 per hour. Hour. You got or you get an 8% raise. Find the new pay. Find the new pay. So from this exercise, okay, find the new pay, meaning that find the salary that you make after you get raised. Right?
Huh?
Okay, so the question is find the new pay. So
Yeah.
now you make $12.3 per hour and you get an 8% raise. Like the new year, you get 8% raise. Your performance is good, so you get promoted
Yeah.
and get 8% raise. So find the new pay. Find the new pay. So find the amount that your salary increase. So the first step, what we always do is first step is find the difference. How do we find the difference? The difference is, can you see the difference?
Is there no difference?
The difference is 8%, right? 8%. So because like normal, like currently we are at $12.3, and then you get raised another 8% to here, which we don't know, right? To this amount that we don't
Yeah.
know. Yeah. So the difference is the 8%, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the difference is 8%. Difference is 8%. Step two. Next, what can we do? We rewrite it. Write the questions.
What's
How can we rewrite the question?
what's 8% of $12.30?
Correct, correct. So what percent of
Twelve.
$12.3? Okay,
Yeah.
this is the correct question. The correct question. Then can we solve these problems? What 8% of $12.3? Can we solve this?
Yeah.
We solve by the General formula.
Multiply
Yes. What is the general formula?
is over of equals percent over 100.
Correct. Is over of equal to percent over 100. Now, what is is?
Is 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 12.3, right?
Is 12.3. Here,
Oh,
it's a of. Is here. Actually, like a grammatically, it should be like what is? Yeah. What is question mark?
8% of
Should be like what
12
is, and then the question here 8% of
of
12.
3. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So then, what this mean? What is question mark? So meaning that we are looking for
Is
is. We are looking for is. Right? We're looking for is.
right.
Mhm. So let's denote the is as a variable of x. What about of?
12 point what?
12.3.
Yeah, it's of
Of is
12
12.
of
Yeah, 12.3 dollars. Equal to percent is
percent is uh 8%.
8% over 100. 100 always 100. Okay, so now we have x over 12.3 equal to 8 over 100. Can we solve for x?
Yeah, we can solve.
Yeah, to solve for x, we do cross multiplication.
Yeah, we cross multiply.
It will be 100x equal to 12.3 times 8, which is
9 98.4.
equal to calculator
24, 42, 15, 10.
100x equal to what is your calculations?
98.4.
98.4. Yes, correct. 98.4. Now
Yeah.
to find x, it's equal to
98.4. But we divide it.
divide by
100.
98.4 divided by
100.
100, and then x equal to, when we divide by 100, we
We
shift,
drop down
yeah, shift decimal
right.
to the right or to the left.
Isn't the left for division?
The Yes, the left to the division. Now it's divided by 100, so it's to the left by
Oh, shoot.
1, 2, right? Because when divide, we make the number smaller. When it's multiplied, we make the number bigger. So it's
Oh, yeah.
okay. So then the answer is equal to, when we shift two digits,
Is it just 984?
two digits,
3 digits?
two digits, 20 meaning two digits. So we shift one digit here, two digits here. This,
Isn't the answer just 984?
yeah, 0.984, 0.984. Do we have the units?
Dollars.
Dollars. Okay, dollars. But is this the final answer? What is X represent to? X is,
No. Okay.
X is the amount
Amount.
you have raised, right? The amount of
The amount.
8% of this. So the amount that you have raised, meaning that you will be increased by almost $1,
Oh,
right? Right. But the question is, find the new pay. So is it the final answer yet?
no.
No. So how can we find the new pays?
Do we add it?
We add them. So new pay new pay equal to what, add what?
Huh?
What number adding with what numbers?
Hold up. I'm writing it. Oh, I'll just add it.
Yeah.
So that
So it's
sign up decimal, right?
yeah, it's with decimal, adding with all decimal.
But the answer is zero. But the answer is 0.984.
Wait, 0.984 is the amount that you have raised, right? The amount you raise. So currently your salary is this, but now you get raised another this amount. So now the new pay is from here to here, from here to here. So for example,
The answer.
salary is here, and then you get raised a little bit here. So your new pay is from here to here.
So is it $13 point 284?
Yeah, so your new pay is $12.3 plus 0.984, which is equal to 12.3.
I got $13 point 284.
Correct. So the answer is $13.284. So your new raise is 13.284. Okay. Now, this is all about the percent increase. So let's go for percent decrease.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Okay.
I need to get this. All right, I'm done.
Now, percent decrease. When we go now to percent decrease.
Hold on a second.
Mhm. For example, you have, say, example, populations of LA, or like interesting. Population of the LA decrease from 1.25 million people to 1.46 million people. Oh. Find the percent decrease. You know which country have the always have the population decreasing?
South Korea.
South Korea.
Yeah,
Almost
because
near them.
near them.
South Korea, yeah. Yes, South Korea.
Yeah, South Korea is decreasing though, right?
Yeah. Oh, South Korea is.
It's because people stopped producing babies in there.
Yes, correct. But
But that wasn't what you're talking about.
the most, the most like decreasing population, they call it population crash. Like it's crash.
Oh yeah,
Go this,
because people
and
start producing babies and then people start dying.
yeah, and then like old people that are being dying and so on. They don't have the new generation.
Wait, is it near South Korea? Like in terms of the map,
Yeah, in terms of the geography, in terms of map.
East Asia
In
or more like
Asia, but not Southeast Asia.
not Southeast Asia?
Yeah, but very near
So
South Korea.
is it kind of like
Mm.
a Central Asia kind of thing? Like
Yes, Central. Yes,
wait, what's Central Asia again? Sorry, I just said whatever I said.
Asia. We have like the whole Asia here. Southeast Asia is Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam, something like that. And then
Oh, Central Asia is like Iran, Pakistan, Afghanistan, right? No?
yeah.
Or
Like that is Central Asia, but so that country will be North Asia. Since you're here, Southeast Asia, so North.
no? Oh, yeah. No eating soggy waffles.
Yeah, it's Japan.
It's Japan.
Yeah, Japan. Japan now, like you see, like there's a lot of elder people, but don't have like a new generations.
Bro, it's East Asia. Why did you say Central Asia? Central Asia is like Iran, Pakistan.
Wait. So the Asia is here, and the should be like at the north here.
Oh, I'm dying, bro. That's generally so funny. I'm sorry. I just find it generally funny.
But from this exercise, we can know that population of LA also decreases. So,
Really?
yeah, population.
Like actually, like in real life?
Yeah, it's actually like the new
Is it?
mindset of people, like, oh, I don't want to have a baby and something like that. So then, like, they only have the elder people, and then the elder people die. Then it start to like decrease. If it's decrease all times, like every year, it's keep decreasing. We call it population crash. Like,
I would not think LA would be the one to have like a population crash, mostly because it's like the most populous state. Because it's like influencers and YouTubers are like moving in.
mm,
Like I always people say like, "Oh, moving to LA." You know what I'm talking about?
oh yeah,
It's a really popular state.
maybe. Or maybe it's too much expensive. People like try to living from LA, I don't know. Like, yeah, I went to LA, but that's what we heard from the celebrity. Like they are having a lot of money. They move to somewhere that is expensive. Somewhere, but if that local have a lot of rich people, like the poor people will leave
Oh yeah,
because of
yeah.
daily living lifestyle and so on. So like I'm moving to like the other state that is cheaper, low tax, something like that.
The only reason LA is expensive is because there's multiple people coming in and out.
Mm, this reasonable, yes, reason.
Like if you look at like at another state like Vermont, for example, it's
Mhm.
not gonna be as expensive as LA because it's not that much of a popular state.
Right. I think like in America, which state is the most expensive? Do you know?
Either New York City or Los Angeles.
Yeah, I think maybe New York City, and then like,
Yeah, New York City more.
but we see like in New York City have a lot of like homeless people, and so because
Oh yeah.
yeah, when it is expensive, like people don't have the amount to pay. Like I don't have the money to pay for the rents, for the living costs.
Or it could be like a bit of like Las Vegas. I don't know.
Mm,
But Las Vegas is mostly like gambling.
yes. Okay.
But anyway.
All right. For this exercise, we talk about the decreasing the percent of wait, decrease should be like another or decrease. So when we find the decrease, we also use this step as well. We also use this step as well. First one, we find the in order to find percent decrease, just find the difference. Find the difference, which is how do we find the difference?
The, we subtract 1.52 by 1.46.
Yes. So now, like let's say like 1.35 and 1.42. So in order to find the difference, which is from here to here, this gap, we subtract the bigger number, subtract by the smaller number. So 1.52 million minus 1.62 million, which is equal to
Oh, 1 point. Oh,
equal to
equals 6. 1.6. 1.06.
1 point.
06.
Is it 1 point?
One-
Okay, check. 1.52 minus 1.46.
Isn't it 1.06?
Almost correct. So now like this become 12. 12 minus 6 is 6, correct? So this become 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. What about 1 minus 1?
Is it 6 million?
It's 0.06 millions.
Oh,
Not 1, right? Because like this also 1, this also 1. It's 0.06 million. What is 0.06 million, by the way?
what are you talking about?
What is 0.06 millions equal to?
0.06 million.
Yes. Oh, yeah. What is equal to like 0.6 million? It's 600,000.
Sorry.
Like
What?
0. Okay, let's put it like this way. 1.2 million. It's 1,200,000. Right. One.
1.2 million is 1,200,000.
Yes. So how about 0.06 millions?
I just feel like it's 6 million or something. That's how I imagine it.
0.06 million equal to
Equal to
now what is 1.23 millions?
1.1
Between
million 23,000.
1,230,000, right? Correct. Like
Yeah.
1,230,000. How about 0.23 millions?
It's either at 23,000 or 23 million. If you put it in this way,
It's
there's two.
230,000, right? 230,000. Because million is zero. million is zero, right? 0 million. It's mean like 0,230,000.
Yeah. Zeros.
So 0 million meaning like that's nothing. 0 million meaning like that's nothing. 230,000. So this is the what we are.
Isn't it just 600,000?
So yeah, so this is 0.06 million is, if we write it in a proper way, 0 million, 0 100,000, right? 0 100,000, and then 6 0 0 0 0.
Oh.
Yeah, do you agree with this? Zero. Oh,
I don't know how to agree with it. I don't know if it's right or wrong. I'm confused.
so 0.06 million, it's 0.06. Okay. Or in another word, we can put like this. If you're not a good, not quite sure, so let's say like this is 60 million people. Another way we can do like this. Okay. We can find the difference by the normal number, like take this number minus this number. Now, this number, if we write in an expanded forms, what is this number write as expanded forms?
1,052,000. 500,000.
One million, yeah,
1,552,000.
yeah, 1,520,000, right? Correct. What?
One five.
Yeah, 1.52 million mean 1,520,000. Correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Minus this number. So minus what in expanded forms? Minus
1,000,000 plus 500,000.
this
1,000,000.
1 million. This is 1 million for,
500.
wait, not this,
Five. Oh,
this
that.
and one
400,000.
460,000.
60,000.
Yeah, because like 1.46 million, right? So then, if we find this different, in this different in the expanded forms, what will it be? 1,520,000 minus 1,460,000. What is the answer? Please.
Subtracted by.
1 million.
Wait, do you subtract?
Yeah, we subtract. Find the difference, so we subtract. So 1,520,000 subtracted by 1,460,000.
Isn't it just like 60,000?
60,000, right? 60,000. So now we can confirm that this is equal to this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, now you are sure that, what I told is correct. If we write in expanded form, we may, this. Is this really this? I don't know. Okay, now we can know and we can ensure that this is correct. Let me erase these back. Oh, okay. Okay, now the difference is here, and now how can we write the second step is we rewrite as the percentage, as the percent problems. How do we write as the percent problems?
We have to find the percent decrease.
Yes, the question is to find the percent decrease, right? So what are we looking for is
The percent.
percent. And what do we have is the difference, the original number of people, and the decreasing number of people. So how can we rewrite the problem?
We don't know the percentage. How do we write the problem?
Now we know that like original number is 1.52 millions, and later it will decrease to 1.46 million. So what we want to know is how much percent decrease from here to here, right? But we
Mhm.
already did
But but then how do we make a percent problem?
here. But now we already did figure out the difference between the original number to the letter number. So which is 0.06 million. So in order to rewrite the problem, we rewrite as 60,000 is what percent of the original number, right? Of 1.52 million. Mhm. Is it difficult? Is it not? Is it like okay or because the
Yeah,
first time? So like
I just feel like I'm dumb more than like this is hard.
no, it's okay. Like now six. Now we find the difference, right? We find the difference. 60,000. That is the difference. So for step two, the difference is what percent? Difference is what percent of the original number.
Yeah.
Okay. So different is what percent of original number. And then now we are looking for the percent. Can we write this and solve this problem? Can we solve this problem? 60,000 is what percent of 1.52 millions?
Yeah.
Can we find this problem? Like, can we
Yeah.
solve these problems? Okay,
Yeah.
let put this problem in these notes.
60,000
Yeah, from numbers two, 60,000 is
over
what
over
percent of 1.52 million. Okay, so to solve this, wait, this percent. So how can we solve these problems?
60,000
Okay, don't forget to write the formula so that make it
is
easier. It's
over 100.
okay, percent over 100. So what is
60,000 over 1.52.
yes, 60,000 over is it 1.52? If we write this as the expanded form, this should be written as the
1.52
Yeah. 1,520,000.
I don't divide by 1,500,000. 1,052,000.
Or do you prefer in a decimal number? If
How decimal number how?
if we prefer as a decimal number, this should be written as a decimal number too, which is 0.06, right? Yeah.
No, just keep it like this. I hate decimal number.
Yeah. Like it's
It's what
thing that
takes it down to the half point. Okay.
okay, so
No.
now we put it as the expanded form because like I think expanded form is more easier. And then okay, how about percent? Percent is
X.
we are looking for, which is x over 100. So now let's solve for x. Solve for x here.
100 equals 7,000. No.
Mhm. Cross multiply here. So
1,500,000. 1,052,000 X
x,
equals 60,000 multiplied by 100.
yeah, 60,000 multiplied by 100, which is okay. Keep it this 0,000 x equal to 6,000 times 100.
66 zeros. 6 plus
Six
6 plus 6 zeros.
zero. How many zero?
6.
Six or five?
No, 7.
Seven?
Wait, I actually did one.
The question is six or five, and then how many are you like intending to give the wrong answer? Like how many zero? Like five
1.
or 6 0? Do you think 6,000 times 100?
Is it 7? 6,000.
The
Isn't
question
it 60,000?
it will be if
Did,
six
did you
thousand.
write?
Okay, if
No, wait,
six
wait,
thousand,
wait, wait, wait. Isn't it 60,000?
almost correct. If 6,000,
No, no, no. Like, really, it's not 6,000, it's 60,000.
it's not 60,000. If 6,000 times 10, it's 60,000.
Then you did. Then,
Now, when 6,000 times 100,
like, why did you say 0.06 million equals 60,000?
wait, what did I say? 6
You said 0.06 million equals 60,000.
equal 60,000,
T.
yes.
I thought we were going by 60,000.
So this is 0.06 million is 60,000. But here, 6,000 times 100, what we are looking for is 6,000 times 100.
Why?
6,000 times 100 is 600,000. Is it correct? 600,000.
Six,
100,000.
six,
600.
60,000.
It's not 60,000.
Wait,
Yeah,
six,
6,000 times.
zero,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros.
60 or 50? 600,000. How do you write 600,000? How many zero do we have?
5 zeros.
Yeah, 50. Yeah, 50. Okay, 50. So 600,000. Okay. When multiplied by 100, just add 2 0. When multiplied by 10, add 1 0. If it multiplied by 1,000, add 30. Okay, now to solve for x, we we
Divide.
divide 0 0 0 0 0 5 0 divided by 1,520,000. What is your answer?
Hold on. Let me get a pencil. 6.
Six
Oh, Lord. 600,000.
600,000 divided by 1,550,000. Hmm. What is the first thing we do when we have like so much zero at the top, so much zero at the lower, like at the numerator and denominators?
Two.
How do you
Is it
divide?
is it 2 2 2?
Two, two, two. Uh, it should be like 0 point something because like this is smaller.
Zero.
Yeah, because this number is smaller than this number, right? Numerator is smaller than denominators,
Oh Lord.
right? So it should be like 0 point something.
I thank you. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
And your
Is there 5 zeros and 50 0 2 0 0 0, or is there only four?
almost correct. Okay, let we divide together. So
Oh,
600,000 divided by 1,520,000 equal to, now when we have many zero, we can at the end we can cut down the zero, like now we have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Can we simplify like this?
yeah.
Yes, and then now it's become 60 over 152. Then the number is quite easier. So now 60 divided by 152, we cannot divide, right? So we have to add 0 and we have 0 point. Now, how many times 152 goes to 600?
I don't know. Hold up. I'll give an actual answer.
I think that should be 3.
Sorry, what?
3, that should be 3. Because like 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15.
Yeah, no, yeah. It's three.
Okay, 15.
Four, three, two.
Yeah, 3, 3, 3, and then 4. And then we subtract and get like 0 minus 6 is 4. This is 9. 9 minus 5 is also 4. This is 5 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. And then how many can we divide 144 divide by 152?
No.
No, so we have to add another 0. And then how many times 152 to 1440 things should be 9 times.
Oh,
Alright, 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18, so 8 we have 1. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 1 is 46. And then 9 times 1 is 9, plus 6 is 13.
1,268. Did you do the math or did I do the math?
Okay, we did together and we get the same result, so it's okay. And then like we subtract and get 2, is like become 13,
Is it two?
and then 72, yes, okay, 72. And then it's so on, like we still keep dividing, but we know that it's okay to take just 2 decimals. So it can be 0.39. Do we have units here?
Percent.
Percent, yes. So is this the final answer?
Is it what?
The final answer.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is the final answer because we want to ask. They want to ask about the percent decrease. So this amount. Alright. So I think we will continue tomorrow. I prepared the quiz, but it's okay. Like maybe like later. The later.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
very interesting. And so,
Interesting. Okay.